guys, let's quickly go through the process of how to stake your Toncoin in order to earn Notcoin for free. Remember, I promised in the last video that I was going to make a video to show you guys how you can stake your Toncoin in order to earn Notcoin for free. For those of you who maybe missed out in the mining process of the Notcoin when everybody was mining it, and even if you took part in mining the Notcoin, you can still take part in this to get extra more coins. So to do that, let me just quickly go to the OKX exchange platform. So if you don't have OKX, please do that. As you can see here, we already have it written here, jumpstart, about 1.2 billion Notcoin up for grabs, okay, in our ongoing private event. So you just click here. Once you open your OKX wallet, you will see this, it's like an advert. You can see it here. So you just click join now, and then to bring you into the jumpstart section of the app where you can join. You can see over 2 million people have viewed these adverts, and I think about over $3 billion have been staked already. That's very, very huge, guys. So me, I want to join very quickly right now. You can see accumulated rewards. People have earned over 270 million Notcoins already. So let's not waste time. Let's join them so we can start earning as fast as possible. And we only have 2 days left to make this money. So let me join right here. I'm going to click join. Please, you guys should stick with me. So okay, when it brings you here, I think this is the process. As you can see right now, I have a total of about 6.2 ton coins, and individual staking limit 4,000 ton. Okay, 4,000 ton. I only have about 6.2 ton, so I don't even have that much of ton coins. However, and that is for this wallet. So very quickly, I think we can just proceed now to join the staking. So here we go. I just come down here. I'm going to click stake, and the process is going on. So you're going to put how many amount of ton coins that you want to stake. So for me, I have 6.2 ton coins. I'm not going to stake everything, so I will only stake 6. So I'll type 6 here, 6 ton coins, and I would stake. Remember, you cannot stake individually. You can't stake more than 4,000 tons. So I have just 6 ton coins. So I'm going to click stake here, and my staking is activated. As you can see, your rewards are being calculated and will be sent to your funding wallet within 2 hours after the event. So guys, that is it. I think 2 hours after the launching or listing of the Notcoin that will be on the 16th of this month, May, my reward will be calculated and dropped into my funding wallet, and I can sell. So I'm going to click OK. So this is how simple and straightforward the process is. There is nothing difficult about it. So I think as you can see, it's showing here on stake, and here it's also showing me to stake again. It's showing this because in case I want to buy more Toncoin, I can come here. You can see buy Toncoin to participate. So I can buy. You see here, my ton holdings have reduced now to 0.2. It used to it was initially 6.2. As you can see, they have taken the 6, and I have 0.2 left. So look at it now, my staked amount. Look at it, I staked 6 Toncoin, right? So that is just as simple as it is. So I can unstake it once the time has come. I want to unstake and collect back my Toncoin, this 6 Toncoin here. If I unstake now, I'll collect back my Toncoin. But I don't want to do that now until I have gotten all the rewards, until I have eaten everything. Then I will unstake it. All right, so that is just it, guys. It's a very sharp video I just wanted to do for you guys, and this is just about it. I don't want to make it too long. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel and following me on TikTok, Facebook, and other platforms, and also for being the members, being a part of the community members in the OB Crypto WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Let's go out, let's make this money. It's the bull market. Don't dull yourself, because this opportunity comes only but once in every 4 years. So don't miss this, guys. It's time to make good money and build generational wealth for your children and your children's children. Thank you, guys. This is OB Crypto. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck and God bless you.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real. You are watching Obi. Click to subscribe now.